Hello foodies, welcome back to Svedanika the kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Today's recipe is authentic Dosakaya mutton or mutton curry with yellow cucumbers in instant pot. Please watch the video till end to understand the simple and authentic recipe. Ingredients for this recipe are goat or lamb mutton, Dosakaya or yellow cucumber diced, cooking oil, cumin seeds, chopped onion, green chillies, chopped tomato, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chilli powder, garam masala, salt, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Without wasting time, let's get into the procedure. Turn instant pot on sauté mode. Once the inner pot is hot enough, add cooking oil. Now the cooking oil is hot, so add half teaspoon cumin seeds. I'm not using any other dry masalas here. Add 2 cups of chopped onion. I took 1 big onion for 1 lb mutton. Sauté onions until they are mixed well with oil. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder to onion and saute for 2 minutes. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties and is used in almost all curries in Indian cuisine. Now add slit green chillies and saute. I am using Thai green chilli which are very spicy. Add green chilli according to your spice level. As the onion turns transparent, now it's time to add ginger garlic paste. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw smell is gone. Once the ginger garlic paste is cooked well, add half cup chopped tomatoes. Saute well until tomatoes turn soft. Now it's time to add salt. Add salt as per your taste. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons. Adding salt at this stage helps in cooking tomato quicker. Add 1 teaspoon chilli powder and saute. Add chilli powder according to your spice levels. If you eat much spicy, add 1 more teaspoon. Now add 1 lb mutton pieces. 1 lb is approximately half kg. Give it a good mix such that all pieces are coated well. Look how each piece is coated well with masala. Now add half cup water and give a good mix. We are adding very little amount of water here. This water is only to build pressure. Mutton pieces also releases water while pressure cooking. So half cup water is enough. Now close instant pot lid. Turn pressure valve to ceiling. Let's change our instant pot settings. Cancel saute mode and turn steam more mode on high pressure. Set timer for 15 minutes. I prefer steam more mode as it builds pressure quickly than any other mode. Once the timer is off, it automatically goes into keep warm mode. We have to wait until the pressure is released normally. Now the pressure is released normally. Let's open the instant pot lid. Let's change our settings once again. It took 9 minutes for natural pressure release. Cancel keep warm mode and turn on saute mode. Give the curry a good stir. All the mutton pieces are cooked very well. Now it's time to add our yellow cucumbers or Dosakaya. I have removed seeds from cucumber as we don't like seeds in this curry. If you like seeds, you can add them, but very little amount of seeds. Check for bitterness before adding. Some cucumbers taste bitter. Remove seeds and check the taste. If pieces are also bitter, avoid them for this recipe. Sour cucumbers are best for this recipe. Add 2 teaspoons of Garam masala. We are adding only Garam masala powder here in this recipe. This Garam masala is also homemade, so it is very mild in taste. Let's saute it and let it cook for few minutes. Cucumbers cook very quickly. Now it's time to add curry leaves. Slit curry leaves before adding to enhance the aroma. Give it a good stir. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and let it cook for some time. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Check the cucumber paste. If it is soft as shown in the video, the curry is ready to serve. Now transfer it into a serving bowl. Serve this curry with hot steamed rice, chapati, dosa or vada. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please mention your comment section for any recipe requests. We'll try to make a video soon on your request. Please share the recipe with your family and friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.